This is a walkthrough of room 23047 at Vdara, which interestingly is now marketed as Vdara Spa at ARIA. So they're clearly trying to make you think it's part of the resort, and it kind of is. I've always kind of thought it has been, really. I don't feel like I'm staying in a separate hotel because the casino is so close. So anyway, once you come in, all of the blinds work this way. If you want to open them all, you basically have to highlight what you want to open, in this case everything, and then just, there you go, and open sesame all the way around. I was booked into a Studio King, which is their entry-level room with my gold MGM reward status, but they offered straight away to upgrade me to an executive corner. So you have the first bathroom here, and I've really loved this room, really have. Very similar to one I stayed at a few years back when I first stayed here. Nice seating area here, pretty big TV. And in here, and I'm tumble drying some jeans as we speak. Oh, it's just finished. You got tumble dryer and washing machine. And there was actually some detergent that was on top of one of them, so I managed to do a load. And then in here, look at this, kitchenette, absolutely fabulous. So if you get your pizza, you can even reheat it down the line. So, huge fridge. Mini bar down there. And a little dishwasher there. I mean, what's not to like? Fully self-sufficient, and a hob if you so wish. I don't think they have utensils here, but I think if you ask, they will send some up, I seem to remember, but don't quote me on that. And you've got a writing desk in the corner here. My view, as you can see, is of ARIA here. You've got the Raiders Stadium over in the corner there, and panoramic views of the mountains. Very nice, very nice. And actually the windows aren't that dirty, which is pretty unusual. And you go into the main bedroom area. Very comfy bed. Your hanging space in here with safe. And then your main bathroom area, including shower here. Toilet around the corner there. And a tub as well. So yeah, I mean, there's literally nothing I can say that's negative about this room. I've been in ARIA Casino within, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Bellagio is just around the corner. Park MGM is just around the corner. You're really in the centre of the action here. And I don't think I've heard anyone, because you're at the end of a level, at the end of the corridor at the corner, you don't hear anybody at all. It is so quiet. So I would thoroughly recommend it. I will certainly be staying here again, given the chance. Really enjoyed my 3 days here. 4 nights comped, 225 free play, which I got upgraded by 175 for checking in midweek, which was actually a Sunday, which is bizarre. So I got 400 free play. Not that it went very far, but I did anyway. And 200 resort credit, which I have spent. So yes, very good room. Thoroughly recommend it. Come to Vdara, you won't regret it. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.